Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fill hole in TinkerCAD. So there are a few methods, but I'm going to show you the most easiest and efficient way how you can fill holes. So basically what you'll need to do is select a cube or other figure, but I prefer cube because it's bigger and it will allow you to fill wall hole without worrying about diameter. So basically what you'll need to do is select another cube. Now what we'll do is make it as big as your hole and make sure it doesn't go out from the other side, so it's flush, as you can see, like that. And now what we need to do is just select your object, then select union group, and you'll see that you'll have like a filled hole. So right here, I needed to make a little bit bigger, so we can do that by just clicking Alt Z and making the cube a little bit bigger. Now we use again union group, and as you can see, it removes holes pretty easily. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.